dropping. Just in case anyone's on the trail, say that always. Morning. Oh, shit. Far out. Wasn't expecting that there. Oh, yes. Got my oh, my chain came off, as you can see. Let's put it back. I found this rake here thanks to the dude on the Specialized e-bike showing where the rake was, just so I can start cleaning out this entrance of this trail and then take it back down to Double Trouble to give it a clean. Because alright guys, so far we've pretty much gotten over halfway, and that's Aaron over there. He's trying to find a rake but he can't. So far we've gotten from here all the way up to the start. That's more than halfway. I'm pretty happy with it. We found some more shovels and buckets so we can get rid of the big pile of water over here. So we found like all pickaxes and stuff. So then we can use it later on when we build some new bits on Double Trouble and rebuild the landing on Double Trouble. Isn't that right, Aaron?
Yep, landing's completely destroyed.
It is. Alright, I'll show you guys at the very end what this looks like, and it'll look way more better than it is right now. Dropping into Hazy Daisy. Double Trouble's still closed for my maintenance. Oh God! I know. Oh, this is so fun. I'm pretty sure that's at the right angle. There's a wheelbarrow. Yeah. Alright, there's a drop just here. There are 2 drops, they're like not that big, they're pretty chill. Alright, here's the fun bit. Terminator. Never really got to here today. I was rebuilding with the others. Holy fuck. Who knows where they went? No way, I fucking cased up. I'm going back down. There's a little rock garden here. Choose your line and stuff. Pretty fun. And thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys later.
We'll just try match your speed, and then you tell us what we get.
Ready?
Yep.
I'm going at this side. Jesus Christ.
I actually wouldn't be surprised if I got 65.